And here's I'll show you how to make custom watermark in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop and click on File and create a new project. Select here pixel, width 500, height 500, resolution 300, background contents, select transparent and just create the new project. In here, if you want to type your text, select the text tool and simply write here your watermark text and then click on OK. Select the move tool and you can change your watermark text size as well. Now if you want to place a logo to your watermark, go to File, click on Place Embedded and from your computer select the logo you want to add. Once the logo added, click on Done and I'm just moving this logo layer under the text layer. And here select your both text and logo layers. Click on opacity and give the opacity 25% and click on this blending option and add the overlay blending. And here I'm just adjusting my text and my logo. Okay, now it's time to save this watermark to our pattern. So go to Edit and click on Define Pattern and pattern name, giving here watermark and clicking on OK. And now you can just close this project. And now on, whenever you want to apply your watermark to a photo, just go ahead and open the photo in your Photoshop and then select the photo layer and click on this icon, select pattern, click on this pattern drop down, select the watermark that you just created. Here you can change your watermark angle just like this. You can also click on this scale to increase your pattern quantity just like this. Once you're happy, click on OK and that's how we can actually apply or add watermark to our photo.